Learn baby animals' names with picture. English vocabulary. Let's learn. Bear. A baby bear is a cub. Cub. Horse. A baby horse is a foal. Foal. Donkey. A baby donkey is a colt. Colt. Kangaroo. A baby kangaroo is a joy. Joy. Monkey. A baby monkey is an infant. Infant. Deer. A baby deer is a fawn. Fawn. Elephant. A baby elephant is a calf. Calf. Lion. A baby lion is a cub. Cub. Duck. A baby duck is a duckling. Duckling. Sheep. A baby sheep is a lamb. Lamb. Penguin. A baby penguin is a chick. Chick. Giraffe. A baby giraffe is a calf. Calf. Chicken. A baby chicken is a chick. Chick. Dog. A baby dog is a puppy. Puppy. Owl. A baby owl is an owlet. Owlet. Rabbit. A baby rabbit is a bunny. Bunny. Goat. A baby goat is a kid. Kid. Zebra. A baby zebra is a foal. Foal. Cow. A baby cow is a calf. Calf. Cat. A baby cat is a kitten. Kitten. I hope you liked this video. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon and get more English vocabulary on my channel. Take care.